Hello everyone, and welcome to Boywitheng. I'm RV, the boy with English dreams. If you're shy about speaking English or always on the fence about trying new words, this channel is for you. Here we'll get the ball rolling with fun stories, break the ice on tough phrases, and spill the beans on idioms like the last straw. All boy to boy, no boring lessons. Subscribe now, hit the bell, and don't miss the boat on your English journey. Welcome to the team. Chapter 1, The Dream Begins. Three best friends, Arjun, Kabir, and Dev, loved football more than anything. Every recess, they'd grab the old ball from under the bench and play like pros. Arjun was the fastest runner, Kabir the best kicker, and Dev the goalie with eagle eyes. But their school had no real club, no coach, no jerseys. They dreamed of entering the big inter-school tournament, but asking the strict Principal Sharma? They were on the fence. Should we try? Arjun asked one day, wiping sweat. What if he says no? Kabir shrugged. Yeah, or laughs at us. Dev nodded. I'm on the fence too, maybe next year. Days passed, and nothing changed. They played secretly, but whispers spread, those boys think they're messy. Chapter 2, The Spark That Gets the Ball Rolling. One morning, sports teacher Mr. Singh burst into class. Big news! Inter-school football tournament in 2 months. Winners get trophies, new kits, and a trip to the national stadium. The class cheered. Arjun's heart raced. This was their shot. That announcement got the ball rolling. After school, the boys met under the big banyan tree. No more waiting, Arjun said firmly. We need a club. Official permission, practices, everything. Kabir grinned. But how? Principal Sharma hates noise. Dev punched his fist. We plan it like a match strategy. They spent evenings sketching ideas, practice times, player list, even a budget for cones. Excitement built, but fear lingered. Like sitting on a fence not knowing which side to jump. Were the boys ready to jump? Chapter 3, Breaking the Ice with the Principal. The next day at lunch, Kabir took a deep breath. I'll break the ice, he whispered. Break the ice means starting a conversation to end awkwardness, like cracking ice in winter. He marched to Principal Sharma's office, heart pounding. Sir? Kabir said, peeking in. The principal looked up from papers, glasses low. Yes, boy? Kabir froze but remembered his friends waiting outside. We want to start a football club for the tournament. The principal raised an eyebrow. A club? Why should I approve? Kabir spilled the beans, told everything. Spill the beans means reveal a secret, like beans spilling from a bag. He explained their dream, 20 players ready, daily practice from 4 to 6 p.m., no disturbing studies. We've got a list, sir, 50 signatures. The principal leaned back. Impressive. But prove you're serious. Show results in 1 week, or no deal. Kabir ran out yelling, we did it. Chapter 4, Building the Team. Word spread like wildfire. 25 boys joined, some pros, some total newbies. Practices started, dribbling, passing, penalties. Arjun led warm-ups, Kabir coached shots, Dev guarded the goal. Pass it quick. They'd shout. Laughter filled the air as Vikram tripped over the ball, or Rohan scored a hilarious own goal. But problems hit. Rain cancelled 2 sessions. Some boys skipped for video games. This is hard, Dev complained. Still, they pushed. They made posters, join the club, be a legend. By week's end, they had stats, 10 goals scored, teamwork improving. Idiom recap, Kabir broke the ice and spilled the beans, now it was time to deliver. Chapter 5, Cracks in the Team. 1 week in, trouble brewed. Teammate Sunny forgot cones. Practice halted. Vikram showed up late every day. Homework, he'd say. Kabir edited their progress video till midnight, but Arjun's passes went wild from stress. Principal checked in, looking good, but consistency matters. Worse, the school management booked their ground for events. No field? Practices moved to mud patches. Morale dropped. Maybe we should have stayed on the fence, someone muttered. Arjun felt it slipping. Chapter 6, The Last Straw. Friday evening, pouring rain. Only 10 boys showed. Sonny cancelled last minute, family party. Their coach brother called, can't make it, exams. Practice was chaos, slips, shouts, no goals. Kabir slipped in mud, ball flew into a ditch. That was the last straw. The last straw means the final problem that makes you snap, like one straw too many on a camel's back. Arjun stood soaked, fists clenched. Enough. This is the last straw. We got the ball rolling, broke the ice, spilled the beans, but if we don't commit, we're done pretending. Silence. Then claps. Dev nodded. Arjun's right. No excuses. They huddled, made rules, no skips, full effort. Sonny apologized next day. The team united stronger. Chapter 7, Victory and the Lesson. 2 months flew. They presented to principal, logs, videos, 95% attendance. Approved. He boomed. Practices sharpened them into a machine. Tournament day, they beat Team Alpha 3-1, Kabir's rocket goal, drew with champs, won semis on penalties, Dev saves. Final, 2-2 tie. Extra time, Arjun's sprint, perfect pass, Dev's header. 3-2 win. Trophies, cheers, stadium trip. Principal shook hands, you boys proved it. Outrow and English lesson. Arjun, back on camera, with trophy prop. What a story. From on the fence to victory. Remember, get the ball rolling early, break the ice boldly, spill the beans confidently, watch for the last straw, and never miss the boat. Which idiom is your favorite? Comment below. Like if this helped your English, subscribe to Boywitheng for more boy-to-boy stories. See you next time, keep dreaming big.